Hey there, before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Have you ever wondered what it's like to step into the shoes of a legend? Um, Kristen Kish, season 10 winner, found herself in that very spot. Um, After Padma Lakshmi's exit, she took over as the host of Top Chef. On her first day, nerves were high. The cameras were rolling and the crew was ready. Then Tom Colicchio stepped in. Tom's advice: speak to these chefs like you would your own kitchen staff. Treat it as just the start of your shift. Um, Kristen was stunned, but she realized it was exactly what she needed to hear. She didn't have to be someone else, just herself. And that's exactly what she did, leading her to host season 22. Funny enough, Kristen never wanted to be on TV. And she's an introvert at heart, preferring the kitchen over the spotlight. Yet here she is back on Top Chef, delighting viewers every Thursday at 9 p.m. Eastern Time on Bravo First. And with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,